Hello there, welcome again to this lecture. Here we are going to create our first card for our city. We already created our city in last lectures. If you have not seen them, then you can watch them, links in the description below. In this lecture, we are going to create our first card for the city, and in next lecture also we will create our advanced card. This is not very good card, and we can say it is not a professional today card for our city, but at least it will be a beginner card for our city, and in the lecture we will try to make a better card for it. Let's jump into Adobe Illustrator and create our first card for our city. In this part of the series we are going to create cars for our city. For creating cars, first I want to create new, then let's click on new. We want to create new document. Let's select this custom HD size. It's okay, I think. Let's create our car in a block document, and after that we will bring it to our city and we will replace it there. But remember, in later lectures we will animate our cars in different animation programs. In this series, just follow this series. Let's start creating our car. First I want to start it from drawing a simple rectangle. Select rectangle tools and start it like this. I want to give him this color. Maybe this color is okay. And no border. Now select direct selection and select this point. I want to select this point also. Now just drag it like this. Now I think it's good, but we need some more change here. Just I want to add 2 points, one here and 2 points, one there also. Bring him into this area and like this. Same to this one. I want to bring him above and bring it like this. We also did a mistake here also. It's okay, but later we will bring change in this one. For now we are only going to draw one. This one is okay. I want to add one more point into this area and bring this point into this area and bring him down back like this. It will work, but not. We will bring some more change here also. We need to. Now I want to draw one more rectangle into this area like this, and just adjust him in here. I give him this color. I think this color is good because we want to make a car similar to taxi. Just select this one point from direct selection and bring him down like this. This is okay. Now I want to draw one more rectangle into start. It should start from this area and bring it to here, and color is similar, it's okay, and not too big like this. Select direct selection and just this one point, bring him like this, and this point bring him down like this. But still we need some more change in this area. I want to bring them like this. Now it is good. Just be like this. Now it is good, but not too much, and still need some more work. I want to draw one more rectangle
in this area like this and give him this color. Just select direct selection and select this point and shift this point, bring him down like this. Just select him and come to transform, reflect. This time I want to horizontal, select horizontal one, and on preview it's okay. I want to take a copy and bring him down. With the arrow keys you can bring him down, or you can arrange it as you want like this. I want to give him this color. I think it's good for now, but we should align them in this area. Now it's good. Okay, let's give him some we can see some tires. Okay, now let's make some wheels for it. And select ellipse tools and draw it like this. Just press shift to be very careful that you will be able to draw it very well. And I want him don't have any fill color, and give him gray border color and change its border color stroke, sorry, like these. Oh, some more, it's okay, and change its size to this size and bring him into this area. Let's bring some more change here, and it should be, let's on roller tools with the pressing Ctrl R, and we should be very careful for when we are aligning them. Let's bring him into this area. Now it's good. Okay, let's add one more point here, and now select direct selection, bring him up like this, and just adjust him according to your but we should be very careful for when we're aligning these tools, because it's not simple tools, and if we do a very small mistake it will look not good. That's why we should be very careful when we are creating that. Okay, let's bring this with pressing Alt to this area, also this area, and let's add one point here. Okay, first let's select this and bring our roller, we don't need him anymore, into this area here. Okay, first of all let's select this and come here, add one point here, one point here, and one point here. Now let's bring him into this area and come anchor point, and let's draw, let's change it like this. Okay, now we can align them and it will look good if we align them correctly. It's not aligned correctly, you should work on it a lot and you will be able to align them very well, then it will look very well also. Okay, let's select ellipse tools again and add one more ellipse into the middle. Its fill color should be like this and don't have any border color. Okay, I want to select him and just align him into the center, copy him with pressing Alt and bring him into the center here also. And one more thing, I just want to draw one line from this area to this area like this, and press OK, enter to confirm. Select non-color for fill and select blank color for the background, but it not looks good. For that we are going to duplicate our ellipse tools, bring him into the center and select non-color, but it should be white color, and we are going to change its fill. Okay, we can add one point into this area as well, and let's select this point, press delete, this point delete, and this point also we can delete him. Not like that. I want to delete only this point and this point. Now it's working. I think it's okay. And for now, let's select this white one, this one, and let's come to transform and come to reflect. Horizontal is okay, and press OK. Okay, not reflect that, we want to take its copy. Let's lock this one, that we will be able to select this one. And now let's press Alt. Let's press Alt to duplicate him into this place also. Align him there and bring him above this area. Okay, still we need to bring him. Okay, we should bring this one into this area. Now it's good. We need some more work here. Let's lock all of them, because then we will be able to draw more shapes easily. Let's select rectangle and draw one rectangle into this here in this area, like this, and come here. We don't want to have any border color, and just it should have this color. I think is good. Okay, it's good. Now let's draw one more from this area, here, 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 and this. It is good, I think, but we should adjust them like this and this. Now it's good. This is our first car. It's not too much good car, but still it is work, and it looks like a car, like a cartoon car, and I think we can use this car in our city.
Thanks guys for following this series. I hope you learned and enjoyed more from this series. If you want to know more about masterclass and find more courses about 2D, 3D and game development, links are in the description below. I hope you follow our lectures and subscribe to our YouTube channels. As always, if you want to follow the series, I recommend you, if you want to learn 2D animation, then please follow this series. Next video is here, and playlist, complete playlist is here. You can learn more about 2D animations. I hope see you soon again.